what you've been able to discover on this wheelchair. Maybe if you still had two legs, you'd have still been pursuing HIV. And that wasn't your mission. Your mission was alternative medicine to rescue the African man. These plants are things that we have within our reach and accessible. Okay, how have you been able to get this across, especially to the grassroots, to let them know that there's alternative here, that they can live and they might not die?
Well, it's work in progress. We just started this. This is an exercise in discovery. So one of the things that I'm doing, I'm only one person. So I go to workshops where we'll have nurses, workshops where we'll have doctors, women program, and I encourage them to become marketers of the product so that they will be better able to learn about it. You know, the way they raised us in the health profession, we just believed everything is the one the Igbo have said. Like I tell them, the white man came here, took our herbs, and discovered the chemical component of those herbs. And they went to turn them into capsule. And then we're chasing after the white capsule and the white tablet. We forgot where they got it from in the first place. So I want people, health professionals, to research these things and give their patients alternatives. And then I want us to team up and have clinical trials so that we can study them, find out what the chemical components are, and see how we can regulate it, ensure the dosage, and see what effect we have. A lot of the effects we have so far are anecdotal. It's important to do scientific research to get it to the next level. And I'm hoping institutions like NIPRI, the pharmaceutical research company, institutions, and other regulatory bodies can come on board, and let's look at these things in a systematic way. It requires documentation. It requires a standard laboratory, even sometimes to do the lab work to understand the chemical components. That it's herb doesn't mean that it may not be harmful. There are some elements in herbs that can harm us. So we need to study those to ensure that everything is safe. You know, so far, because most of them are food, I am comfortable because I call them food. Carrot can't harm you. Ginger can't harm you. You know, banana, which is very good with potassium for those with high blood pressure. Beetroot is so effective for high blood pressure patients that it can harm you. We would like physicians to be part of regulating, to see, okay, try them on the Oyibo medicine. Then maybe reduce, see if this one works. Reduce this a little bit until it works. And we can create our own pharmacology based on our own natural herbs and food.